أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Here we are, Pakistan International School Types Virtual Learning System. This is our Class 6 Social Study book, which we are learning and following in our this session. So, as you know, we have already started chapter number 15, and first part of chapter number 15 we have already finished in the first lecture. So the remaining topic we are learning today, like as values, respect, obedience, tolerance, peace and friendship, children of South Asia. So now we are starting reading from the page number, open your page number 73. We are reading the values. Like rights, values are also important for all people. Values are good beliefs and habits that we taught by our religions, our elders, our society. Good values are common to all religions and societies, and following them makes life worthwhile and pleasant. Respect. To help society run smoothly, we should all respect our parents, family, and older people, even if their ideas differ from ours. Most of them were brought up in very different times. We should respect people who have authority over us, the law, government, and officials. They are our parents, representatives, and are doing what they see as right for our country and people. In school, we should respect our teachers and also our colleagues. We earn the respect of others by respecting them. The same page number 17, obedience. We should be obedient first to our religious beliefs and then the law of the land. Both of these are trying to make the world better for everyone. We may not agree with some of the laws, but we cannot ignore them. The best we can do is to try to change them by peaceful means. We must obey laws of our schools. Education would be not succeed if we wandered in and out of class at any time or refused to do homework or talked all the time when the teacher was explaining something. Traffic rules must be obeyed if we want safety on the roads. We should follow the rules laid out by the government for laws and order and peace and security in the country. The next page now we are reading page number 74, tolerance. We must learn to respect and tolerate other people's beliefs and customs, and we must try to understand them. Our country and the world, indeed, is made up of so many different people, languages, and cultures. We should try to enjoy this variety and love in peace with all. It would be very dull world if everyone was alike. If everyone is behave in the same way, then this world will be look like a dull. peace, and friendship. If we travel about the world, we will meet many different kinds of people, but whatever their differences of religion, beliefs, laws, and wealth, they all want the same things. We must dislike certain people because they are different from us in their appearance or their views and beliefs, but they are human beings and feel much the same as we do, and we must try to understand them and live in a peace and friendship with everyone. So, the next page, page number 75, Children of South Asia. We have seen the growing percentage of the population under 15 years in the South Asian countries. These children are the future of their nations. Children living in the towns and cities enjoy being able to go to schools nearby to get a good education. They can also go to other places of interest such as museum and libraries and learn for books and computers. But most children living in the cities have little space for games and sports. On the other hand, children in rural areas live on farms. They have plenty of open space for playing. They learn about nature by observing it close at hand. But there are very few schools in the rural areas, so very few children get formal education. All these children have rights guaranteed by the United Nations International Children Education Fund, which is to be called as a UNICEF. So, boys, so we have completed reading of this chapter number 15. Now we are solving our end of chapter questions. I am reading and also giving you the answer of the given questions. So, question number one: why are values for people? Describe two values that are important to you and your family. So, answer is values are essential to living a pleasant and beneficial life. This has been explained above. Some good values are respect for all, our elders, friends, siblings, teachers, and less fortunate, obeying the rules of our institution and laws of land, being honest and truthful. This needs much courage at times, being caring and considerate. Question number two: all religions teach similar values. Name any three values that common to Islam, Christianity, and Buddhism. So, answer of this question is values common to Islam, Christianity, and Buddhism have been discussed above in the lesson. Helping the weak and oppressed, respecting difference of beliefs, valuing life and protecting it. This question is open to discussion as all major religions teach the same good values of the morals. Question number three: what is the importance of human beings? What is the importance of human rights? Answer is human rights are for the benefit of all. It helps people to understand their rights and also serve as reminders so that people do not trespass the rights of others. Other questions are question number 4. Name 3 rights that you think are important for children and why. So answer is given here. 3 rights of children are number 1 physical protection, number 2 food, number 3 universal state paid education. Question number 5. We have briefly talked about respect for each other and society. Find out what respect for life, respect for law, and respect for environment mean. So answer number 5 is respect for life is valuing the life of all living things. Not only prohibition on talking life, but the protection and improvement of life for others. Respect for law means obeying the laws of our faith, our country, our community, our school, our parents. Respect for environment is to protect the environment and make it sustainable for all and not to harm it. So question number 6, can you think of 3 more things you can do to good citizens? So this is for you can think and give the answer of question number 6. So students to discuss and share their experiences with the class and they will get its answer by themselves. So now I'm giving you little homework assignment. So these are the 5 short questions. You can easily give these answers and send me on my WhatsApp. Then I will check. So question number 1, what are the basic requirements for peace and security in a country? Question number 2, why should we follow traffic laws? It is clearly written in the previous page we have learned today. How can we earn respect from others? How can we show tolerance to others? The last question, UNICEF is acronym of the words, which is to be given also in the page number 25. So this is our end of chapter. As you know, we have completed today all the question and answers and end of chapter questions. So you must write these questions on your need copies correctly and cleanly and send me your homework on my WhatsApp. Then I will check and give you feedback. So thank you very much, all students. Inshallah, we will meet in the next chapter. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.